We love edible plants at Plants4Presents. This collection of fruiting and herb gifts are perfect if your mum loves to grow her own fruit and veg, or if she's a whiz in the kitchen. So we pulled together a few different ones. Mother's Day is early this year, so the fruit trees and the grapevines are just budding up, but you can see the fat buds coming on arrival. Grapevines are really easy to grow in the UK and you will get great crops off them. Similarly, dwarf fruit, we've got dwarf apples, pears, plums and cherries, all looking great, this great structure, and they will be budding and flowering very soon. For indoors, and if your mum likes a bit of a challenge, don't forget our citrus. We love citrus at Plants4Presents. We've got lots of different varieties, but I've pulled out two of my favourite that are looking fantastic at the moment. So we've got these little mini lemons here, perfect size for a gin and tonic, or kumquats.